Let me get this straight. You wait all afternoon. Yeah, now I'm gonna go do it. It's colder out here than I thought. There's snow everywhere. Maybe I'll start in this area. Unlikely. Ah, yes. And I can't even take a breather out here. Chairs are all covered. Anyway, I'll just try. I guess this works. Well, this might work. Okay, so what do you suppose we do out here? I don't know. Get rid of all the snow? Maybe the icicles up there. Yeah, I'll try. Get these icicles. Oh! They crack easily. That's the way it's sadder. Turn around, Frank. Yeah, actually, I can't. Otherwise, the snow's all gonna fall off, and I will too. Oh, whatever. I'll see if I can reach some of the others. Don't do it. I can't get over there. Got these ones. Good, Lamio. You're out here too, Buster? I'm trying to knock down icicles, not be distracted by you two. Try hitting it with the edge of the net. There you go. This is tiring. That is tiring. Yeah, I find it easier shoveling the ground snow. Well, how am I supposed to shovel all this? There's tons of it here. And it looks like you already did clear a pathway. Well, oh no, that wasn't me. That was Buster. Oh. I mean, what the heck are we supposed to do? There's a layer of ice on the pool. If that even is real ice. Just look at all this. What the heck are we supposed to do? Oh, I know. No dive! Luigi. Luigi. Where the heck are you? I'm right here. Now you got me blind. I can't see. Dang it. because he couldn't see anything while he was tripped over something. Well, what do you expect me to do? Suddenly clear up my vision, find my way? I can't even see. Hey, why that sounds? You gotta come find me. I can't even see. Just accept the sounds. See if you can find me. Whoa. He jumped into a snowbank. I know that. There's nothing to hide but snow out here. I think that's got you. Fluffy kind, I can even make snow. Snowballs. I could go as far as I can. Can't go all the way back here. Maybe someone's done that. This is the outdoor aftermath. I still can't see that much. But I can see all the white snow. It's really blurred because the snow all over my eyes. Anyways. That's a snow pen in action. You can draw in snow with that. And well, here's the product. So, oh, this looks like ice. Somebody's got to clear my vision out. I can see again. Yes. It's so cold out here. Well, what did you expect, Wario? It's winter. I know that. Lots of cleaning up to do out here. So I'm gonna take this, crash it like that in smaller bits, and aim it, throw it at the icicles. Ah! Oh, I actually got a few. Aim it and throw it at the icicles. Why now? Do you think this is a suicide game? No, I don't. I need to get rid of all this mess. See if I can get the ones over there. I can't reach. We're leaving, huh? Wait a minute. Wheaton's right above a snowbank. I could just push him into the snow. What are you doing? Oh! Oh. Oh, really? That's what these signs do? Take this. That's what you got. I gotta destroy it with the ice. Hang on. Ah! You did remove some of the snow, but you want to remove all the snow. That's the point. Oh. Well, this will work. Tiny. Ah. Maybe it won't. Really? This sort of pellet, Luigi. Actually, it didn't really do anything. Oh well. I'll see you guys in the next part.